blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, red color, red color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids, now I coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use red color, red color. F. F for fish, F for fan. It's again use red color and draw G. G for God, G for glass. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use black color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, and use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw M. M for moon. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. Kids, now draw V. V for vanilla, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw W for wolf. Kids now draw X for X-ray, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Y for yak. Kids now draw Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Red color, yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, O-N-E, 1, and use red color. 2, T-W-O, 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3, T-H-R-W, 3. Kids now draw 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color. S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Kids now draw 10, T-E-N, 10. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use blue color. 12, the numbers of 12. Kids again use blue color and draw 13, the numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14, the numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15, the numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use yellow ochre color. 17, the numbers of 17. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 18, the numbers of 18. 19, the numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20, the numbers of 20, and again use yellow ochre color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.